guys, this one is Melon Playground Killer. Forgot to mention that there is also So, if you hate go skip this video, thank you.
A time to murder those two teenagers.
Dude, there a chainsaw guy behind you. No, I'm out. I'm not gonna get killed. Help me.
Now let get that another boy.
Wait, no.
Ooh, just shut up. With now a couple? This is gonna be easy. All I gotta do is to kill them.
Oh hell no, I'm out. And I'm out.
Do you think you could ran away?
Shut up, chainsaw guy.
Oh really well hear this.
Wait, no.
I'm Sticklemau. Now some kids. Hey little kid,
Umbrella chainsaw guy behind you.
follow me if you want candy. So do you want candy?
Oh my god, yes.
Then follow me. Mahaha.
Get away, chainsaw guy.
Oh, I'm waiting for my wife. My arm. Go away, you idiot.
Mwahaha, I like killing.
What the? Who are you? And where is my hubby?
Your worst nightmare ever.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Your daughter is next. And I'm gonna kill her like I kill you. Your daughter gonna cry and try to beg for her life. I killed your entire family. Now here. How you survived. Here, oh my god, you GH.
You bastard. Why you murdered my family? I'm not afraid of you. Why, exactly? Did we do something wrong or what? Here for revenge. Let murder myself for his own crimes.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more.